friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cheesy garlic bread. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we need a French baguette, butter, garlic, oregano or Italian seasoning, and shredded mozzarella cheese or grated Parmesan cheese. The butter should be melted. I melted half a stick, which is 4 tablespoons of butter before making this video. And we also need to mince 4 garlic cloves, which I also did before making the video. And now I'm going to slice this baguette. So first I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to cut each half like this, lengthwise. So now I have 4 pieces. And I'm going to put them on a baking sheet. So I lined the baking sheet with parchment paper. So I have melted butter and minced garlic. So I'm going to add garlic to the butter. And I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of oregano. 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And mix it together until combined. And now I'm going to brush bread with a garlic butter mixture. So once you used up all the garlic butter, I'm going to top it with cheese. So this is a cheesy garlic bread, so that's why we want some cheese on top. So just sprinkle it. And you can use as much or as little cheese as you like. And now the garlic bread is ready to be baked. So I'm just going to put it in the oven. It's been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put it in. So now this garlic bread has been baking for 15 minutes and it's ready. So you should start checking after 15 minutes, just see if it's golden brown enough and whether the cheese is melted. In some ovens it might take a little longer, but I'd say normally 15 to 20 minutes. Look at this garlic bread. It looks amazing. The tops are so nicely browned and the cheese is melted. It looks so good and it was so easy to make. Can't wait to try it. I love garlic bread. So now you can slice it. And now let's try it. I'm so excited to be trying it. I'll just cut myself a smaller piece to try. It tastes amazing. The bread is so warm and crispy on the outside and chewy inside and so full of garlic butter flavor with melted delicious cheese on top. You will love it. This is a perfect combination of flavors. Homemade garlic bread is made so easy using this recipe. For a frequentable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!